I went to a national park in Alaska that I've always dreamt of going to, Wrangell St. Elias. It's larger than Switzerland and Yellowstone put together. And basically, for me, I focused on really two things. I wanted to focus on the slow motion video aspect by shooting from a plane. Actually, we flew over the Bagley ice field, and we were shooting two Piper Cubs, two small planes flying really fast, handheld in a small area. So that compactness was really crucial for what we were doing. And then I shot in some ice caves right at the base of Wrangell St. Elias. And if you're familiar with ice caves, it goes from being really bright and beautiful to being super dark. So those are really the two activities I focused on. And I really tried to push the limits of that camera. You know, I'm super familiar with the S2. And so this was kind of a real step up. I really wanted to see what it could do and really test its video capabilities.